Hey guys, it's me, Dusty. It's a little on the late side, but I just found something out that I think would help out a lot of y'all. See, I've recently been trying to record and stream some Daisy, some Counter Strike, Dying Light, totally accurate battlegrounds, right? But I've been having a problem to where all it does is just lag, 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 and then the stream comes out bad, and the recordings come out terrible, right? So I went through all of my OBS settings trying to see if I can fix it in any such sort of way. I couldn't. Well, I had some tricks, but it was just common sense tricks. Like I tweaked around with the settings, which everybody has to do in order to get a good recording session or streaming session. You always have to tweak with your own settings. So I tweaked with my settings and it fixed it a little bit. Um, but I had also found out this another trick right here I'm going to be showing y'all. It's well, I'm gonna do the steps. You find the game you wanna do, for example, because I already did it on Daisy. Let's do example Counter Strike, right? You want to go to Properties and you want to go to Set Launch Options, and it says Launch Options. These options are only for advanced users. You don't really need to know that too much because I'm going to be pasting this code, this very code right here, to the description of my video. But just because it says refresh 60 frames doesn't mean it's only going to refresh 60 frames. Right now I did a test on DayZ and it had run the game at a maximum of 75 frames while I was attacking zombies, trying to do everything I could to test it, while I was also recording. And I didn't have the display or the preview turned off for the recording software for OBS. So it was using maximum power as I could, right? And then it worked. So basically, when you get over here, you just click OK, click close, and then go and start playing. And if that doesn't work, just go ahead and restart your computer or restart Steam, but most likely restart your computer to get everything restarted. And then after that, redo your start playing your game, and you'll be able to see the difference in your FPS and everything like that a lot easier. So I hope this helped y'all because it helped me a lot. And leave a comment and tell me if this helped you or not. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.